In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a group chat. We'll walk through creating a room on Character.AI so you can host a lively conversation with multiple characters in one place. I'll keep it simple and clear, and you can follow along on your own screen. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Character.AI. You're looking for the official Character.AI website in the results. Click through to the site and give it a moment to load. If you're ever unsure you're in the right place, check that the address looks official and the page design matches Character.AI's familiar layout. Once you're on the home page, locate the site's search bar. It's typically near the top of the page. Click into that search bar and type Create Room. This tells the site you want tools related to making a group chat space rather than a one-on-one conversation. From the search results, select Create a Room. This opens the setup page where you'll define everything your group chat needs. First, give your room a name. Pick something clear and memorable, like Math Gone Wrong. A good room name sets the tone and helps everyone understand what the chat is about at a glance. Next, add characters to your room. You can search for characters and include as many as make sense for your topic. For example, you might add Sir Overthink, Miss Calculator, Confused Kid, and Professor Chaos to fit that math theme. Think about a mix of personalities that will keep the conversation dynamic. If one character dominates, balancing with a calmer or more solution-driven character can make the chat more engaging. Now add the room topic. This is your short description or prompt that anchors the discussion. For example, trying to pass math. While everyone makes it worse gives context and a bit of humor, which helps characters respond in interesting ways. Keep the topic concise but specific so the room stays focused. When everything looks good, click Submit. The room is created and you're ready to start chatting. If you notice something you'd like to tweak, many rooms allow you to adjust the title, topic, or participants after creation. Also, if the site asks you to sign in at any point, just complete that step and return to the room setup flow where you left off. That's it. Open Google, find Character.AI, search for Create Room, pick Create a Room, name it, add your characters, set the topic, and submit. You now have a fully set up group chat ready for conversation.